evening, everyone. I just want to do a quick video to ask for some pointers on transitioning hair, relaxed hair, to natural hair without the big chop, because I don't know what to do with my hair. I mean, as you can see, I got it pulled back because I went to the grocery store, and I just don't know what to do with it. I mean, I have some little headbands and stuff, but I feel retarded. Like I'm missing my hair right now. Okay. So if anybody has any tips, please inbox me as soon as possible, because I don't know what to do with my hair. I mean, I really don't know what to do with my hair. I mean, it's just flat and curly in the front, and I just look at that. I mean, it's got a whole bunch of curls right here, but I mean, I don't know what to do with it. So, if anybody has any tips, tricks, um, hell, send me some hair. I don't care. Some, I don't know what to do. I don't want to put it in a wig. I'm sick of wigs. I just don't like them. They're too much. They're much as to manage to me as my actual hair. So, with someone, you just get up, brush it, and go. But if you have tips, let me know. Other than that, today was okay. I managed to get out of the house a little bit. Had some sick folks up in here. And now I just made dinner that was in the oven. I'm making a green chili chicken enchilada casserole. See, I would do a video about that, but I don't have a proper camera. I mean, this is attached to my laptop, so I really can't bring the laptop in the kitchen. I look retarded. So if I get a better camera, I'll be able to show my cooking, because I can cook, homie. And I'm not just talking about hot dog and stuff. I can cook. Okay. Pretty much this is all you need right here. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Nah, it's crap. I ain't gonna worry about it. If you wanna know how to make it, let me know. It's very easy. You basically just mix your stuff in the pan, throw some cheese on top of it, put it in the oven for 30 minutes. And you don't have to cook chicken. You can just get the already made chicken that's in the frozen food section. Yes, I am drinking Dr. Pepper. I was craving it. My husband bought me 2 of them. Okay, so I'm gonna drink them. Don't judge me. Anyways, that's it for now. Again, this is another crap video until I can figure out and compose myself. I did say I was gonna try to update every day to my little 30-something subscribers. Hi. So, again, any tips, tricks, not starting the diet thing again yet. I kind of fell off the wagon. But, oh, I did want to say this. I forgot. My dad called me the other day, and he said he was going to give me a gift for Life. I love him for that, because I don't think without that, I think finally I have that push and motivation that I need to go. I mean, everybody's telling me, but I think coming from my dad and the way he said it, it's time. So, I'm going to do that. And I'm going to start doing some workouts, like a trainer, because I feel if I'm paying for it, I don't want to waste the money. So, yeah, instead of doing it on my own, because on my own, I'm like, I get home, I'm like, I keep telling myself, oh, my workout, it don't happen. So, yeah, so that's what's going on right now. And, baby girl is doing better after her 2 surgeries this week. Sophia! But she's better, and yeah, so anybody, like I said, any tricks to what I can do to my hair, because I really don't want to cut it yet until I get it the new growth where I want, which is probably going to take about a year or till this summer. My hair grows pretty fast, so if you have any tricks, just let me know, because tomorrow for work, I'm just going to throw it in a ponytail and call it. I mean, because look, you can see what I would look like with no hair, and I would look horrible. Look, that's me if I had like the big chop. Like, just imagine the bandana was hair. My head is too large for that shit. I can't cut my hair yet. Look at that. That's horrible. Ugh. So, if you have any tricks, let me know. Holla. Bye.